Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because my favorite subscription box is finally here. It is the Fabfitfun Spring 2022 box. So Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription. You get it 4 times a year. The prices unfortunately went up this year from $49.99 to I believe like $54 per box. I'll put the pricing in the description box below just to be sure. But this is one of those subscriptions that I never get tired of, and there's always something interesting that I like and things that I never would have thought of. And it's such a variety because it has the home, it has makeup, it has the fitness part, it has everything. And in this stage of my life, I'm really into a lot of like kind of home decor, makeup, fitness, just wellness overall. This is my one and only lifestyle box. So let's go ahead and get started. Not used to showing my arms. Like, it's been a long time since I've worn like, you know, dainty little dresses and stuff like that. And I'm excited for spring. It's finally springtime, which is amazing. In case you need some outfit inspirations, I do have a collab video right now, like a clothing haul, shopping haul with try on. I'll put it up here or over here, whichever side. Okay, Fabfitfun, I am a seasonal member. Unfortunately, there are some cons to being a seasonal member because some of the items that you want sometimes get sold out before you even get to it, which is unfortunate because everybody should have that equal opportunity to like shop from all of the items. But that is the benefit of being an annual member. If you can afford to pay upfront $200 a year, and again, it's gone up, the pricing has gone up, you get to customize sooner than the rest of the people who are subscribed to Fabfitfun. So there's pros and cons. I don't mind being seasonal, although there are items that I like that aren't available, and it's starting to be more frequent than normal. So we'll see. Okay, first customization, guys. You have a choice between the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs, the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, which is a highlighter, the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter or kind of like a blush, a L Space Coastal Cooler, the Morgan Lane Robe, the Caravan Home Lady Susan, Christoph Robin hair mask. There's some throwbacks, which is the Alice and Olivia bag and hat set. That is everything in customization 1. I decided, oh my gosh, I haven't shown you guys the box. Okay, maybe because the box is kind of meh. This is the box. I'm okay with it. It's not my favorite design this season. It's a smaller box too, and I think that's common among all of the subscribers. When you open the box, you have the Fabfitfun magazine. Very pretty, and it says best day ever. Yes, I wish the pricing was here though, but and then you have the $15 off in case you want your first Fabfitfun subscription and you want to sign up. We've got 17 free meals from HelloFresh. Really? Is it free though? HelloFresh is pretty expensive, but I heard good things, like the food is awesome. If you love wine, there's a wine subscription right here. So for customization 1, I got the blue robe. I wanted to get both robes, like the pink and the blue. Let's see. Okay, it's beautiful. I did hear that this isn't 100% silk. So this is by the brand Morgan Lane, and they are known for their super pricey high-end kind of wardrobes, and just the brand itself is pricey. I personally have never bought anything from them because like their robes on their website like these are $200. So that one though is 100% silk. This one is specifically made for Fabfitfun, and it is 100% polyester. So they're not the same thing, although hopefully they feel and look the same way. So it looks pretty luxe. I love the blue, of course, and the pink. So let's see. Nice, nice. I got the small and medium. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. Can't wait. Perfect for spring with all the florals and all that. So for customization number 2, you had the option to choose from Pharmacy Honey Moisturizer. You have the Kate Spade Pouch or Wristlet, Caudalie Vinosaur's Oil Control Moisturizer, Bando Steamless Acrylic Wine Glass. The wine glass is acrylic, and although, you know, acrylic is a very high quality plastic, it just looked very plasticky from the videos that I've watched. So I'm so glad I didn't get that. And then there's a yoga wake up pillow, Pericone MD moisturizer, and a throwback splendid faux slippers. I got the yoga pillow. I have like a chronic back pain. It's the kind where ibuprofen sometimes doesn't help. Oh my gosh. So this is a yoga pillow, and I believe it comes with like a 1-month subscription of yoga, which I really want to get into. Spoiler alert, I have a health or mental wellness challenge that is coming up in the near future. And yeah, it said do some yoga, and it's one of those things that I've never done before. I just want to lay down on it. I guess all this pressure on your neck and shoulders with the hair and a little bit of pressure, it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. I can't wait to use this. Yay! Third customization is Erin Condren Design Stationery Bundle. By the way, in customization 2, that Kate Spade wristlet was sold out, and that was one of the things that I wanted to kind of add on to that customization, and I didn't get it. So disappointing. Kate Spade mini small square studs in opal glitter. I bought this specific Kate Spade earrings from Nordstrom. I returned it. I love that it's square, and the opal is supposed to be like, you know, multicolored purple shades of pink kind of thing. Unfortunately, it was not blingy enough. It looked hecka cheap. So I'm glad I passed on that. I'm sorry if you got this. The other thing is the Privé Juliet black sunglasses. Kate Somerville Exfoliate. I've tried that before. I do have a love and hate relationship. This is a chemical exfoliator. It can be harsh for sensitive skin folks. It does have that tingly feeling, but I don't know that it does a lot. You know, I guess it's not very visible to me. I still prefer my Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion exfoliator. So that one is rough. I just got to be honest, but I feel like I see results with that one. They brought back the GM Ultimate Core Toning Kit, this whole exercise ball, and then we have the umbrella, Soshana umbrella, and that's it for customization 3. I ended up getting sunglasses, Privé Row Eyewear, and I love that it's a cat eye. I always tend to get the sunglasses from Fabfitfun. It's nice, but there's a big but. It feels very lightweight and plasticky. So, it does look good on me though. I love the style. I love these cat eye looks. I think it's gonna be perfect for the summertime. I feel like it's cheaply made. I mean, with this gold metal thing, that should just make it super heavy, and everything is so plasticky. Like right now, Fabfitfun is having a lot of like well-known brands customize a cheaper version of their products, and I don't appreciate that. Although I'm hoping because it has the brand name and logo there, it still stands by the quality, but this one was just a little bit off. Okay, customization 4 is you get a choice from some hair products. It's a 10. I used to use this for my kids. Ended up getting the Favor Spoon Rest in gray, and I think I messed up with the dimensions because it said something like 5 by 7, and I was hoping that the wideness of the spoon was 5 by 7. So this is what it looks like right here. As you can see, I tore open the box. On camera, they were super wide. When I saw this, I was like, I was hoping that it would be this wide. Like I want to be able to fit like at least 2 serving spoons in here, you know, when I'm cooking. But it's cute. It matches my kitchen, so I love it. For customization 4, I forgot, you can also choose from Josie Moran whipped argan oil and the mantra band cuff bracelet in silver. She believed she could, she did. Okay, I have that bracelet. I bought it from Nordstrom, and I'm assuming this is also from Nordstrom. I love their mantra bands, and they come with so many different words written on them. And the idea is you're supposed to wear like a couple, like, you know, at least minimum 3 on the wrist. And yeah, can somebody give me 2 more? I should have gotten that, but it said the same thing, and I didn't want it to say the same thing, and I prefer the gold one. This one they have is in silver. I don't know if you had the choice between a gold and silver, but I love gold more than silver on my skin tone. I'm just more warm tone like that. But yeah, it says it here. She believed she could, so she did. And this is really one of my mantras starting my YouTube channel. Yeah. And so I did. I love it though. Like, it's super good quality. I wish Fabfitfun had it in a set of 3. I think it would be perfect. That would be like my #1 choice. That's all of my choices. Now, within each customizations, you are able to add add-ons. So that means you can pick 2 or more, I think, of the products in each of the customizations. And then you would just have to add like $10 or $15 to each item that you add. So some of my add-ons was the umbrella. I'm not gonna open it here. Super cute. I love it. It's so spring. It has a nice gigantic button. I love that the button is yellow. I hope it's gonna be easy to open and close. I think I added like $10 to get that umbrella, which I figured usually buy my umbrellas from Costco anyway, and they're around $10 to $14. I think they're more like $14 for 2, but this one is cute, so I paid for the cuteness. The other item that I added on is a Lazy Susan, and when I saw this on my girl, it's me, Soraya, she also got this. When I saw it on her channel, it looks so pretty and more beautiful than I had imagined. So I will show you a picture of how I'm gonna use the Lady Susan. Hopefully it works out, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. I love kind of the wash. It looked more plain on the pictures from Fabfitfun, but I love the personality of this. One of the best buys I have. I think I had to pay additional $15 to get this. And you know, if you shop at Home Goods, this is the kind of pricing that you're gonna get anyway, so I didn't mind it. With Fabfitfun, you get up to 8 products. You can either get a 3 bundle set, 2 or 1. What I got is the doubles. I got the cuticle oil and the lip oil, which, yes, I was hoping to get this. So far though, Fabfitfun knows me so well. They get what I need, and they seem to get it right every season when it comes to those other mystery items for me. So this is by London Town Cuticle Cream. So you kind of press, and there's like a plastic brush applicator here. May be used with bare nails or over nail polish. Ah! It's been coming out and I didn't even know. Okay, there it is. You need a couple of clicks, guys. It's like a white cream. So I will just share that with my other nails. And then the other item that I got is by Winky Lux lip oils. I love lip oils. They're very comfortable on the lips. They're not tacky. So let's go ahead and try it. So I don't know if you guys can see the shine. You can barely see the gold. I honestly don't know what that is. It has gold specks to it. Very nice. By the way, my lippy is by Laura Geller, 50 Kisses. I got this in my BoxyCharm or Ipsy bags. I love this. It's the perfect raspberry color for me, and I feel like it's perfect for spring. That is everything in my box. Now I do have some add-ons, so let's get into that. Add-ons is a totally different shop. So it's items that they probably have a lot of overstock in and they want to get it out. Or it's also products that are well loved by a lot of members in the past. So you can get really, really great deals I always stock up on my Spongellé stuff. So I got more Spongellé, of course. This is a box one. You get a better deal for it. It comes in a box of 2. And these are the sponges. So you have the buffer, the body wash. It's dermatology tested, formulated with extracts yuzu, Idlewild, vetiver to moisturize and soften and cleanse skin. I think this is so perfect to gift to someone, like a coworker. It's $11 for 2, and one sponge costs $18. But because of the add-on sale, this set of 2 was only $11. So what a steal. Got some individual ones. This is Botanica Citrus Aquarium. And I love this because it's butterfly shaped. The scent is amazing. Okay, I am keeping this. I hope my friend is not watching. This one's for her. And the last item is another Spongellé Honey Blossom Hand Cream. I love the Spongellé hand cream. It's so nourishing, and it just sinks into your skin and it just makes you feel so good. It looks like this. Let's smell it. It does have a seal, but I already took it off. Oh, I like it. I forgot to mention that I also got a face mask, and I love this floral print. It's got a nose pincher, so it fits snugly on the face. Love it. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, the spring FabFitFun box. I always love my boxes. I mean, especially now that you get to choose more than just 3 items. Now we get to pick up to 5 items, I believe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. Definitely check out my most recent video on a shopping haul collab. It's my very first ever, and I'm so proud of it. And with that said, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I hope to see you back in my corner soon. Bye!